Yeah, no. Yeah, no.
Ooh, careful. Everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle, and with me is my husband Marcel, and we also have with us Ryan.
Yeah.
Ryan's friend Bugsy. A Bugsy or Boopsy?
Boopsy.
Ryan's friend Boopsy. We have Sandrine as well. And we have Ryan, Likkle Ryan, and Andre. Alright, so guys, we are here as you can see. We have a door, we have a stove, and we have a window because you know the story. Ryan would have lost his home in the hurricane. Just get to spend one night in the newly built house. And Melissa come and just blow it all away. So since then he has, and friends as well, have managed to find back the plyboard and so on and put them back together. And so we have a special donor today who has donated to him a door because the door that he had got damaged badly and can't use again, and the window is also destroyed. So here we have a new window. Marcel, show the people, oh, the window look nice and something. It's a custom built window.
Well, custom.
Yeah, we had such a challenge getting the window because as you know, a lot of persons are in the construction phase because they're rebuilding and so on. So yesterday we have somebody who we call and they say, yes man, we can make it, and then they did a really good job of making the window for us. It's a quick window, you know, in making about for half an hour. Yes. And we have a stove. So hi.
Yeah,
right, so that's the story, guys, and so we're here just making the presentation to Ryan today. So Ryan, see your window, your stove, and your door here. And we bring a regulator as well.
Yeah, no, really appreciate it, you know.
All right. So we want to send a special. We want to send a special shout out to the donor. Her name is Marie. She continues to support Ryan because she has been donating, you know, even before the hurricane and you know, after and so on. So we want to say thank you so much, and may God richly bless you and keep you and guide you, and may your store basket never be empty.
Yeah, well, thank you so much, Marie. Man, is it? Yeah. Thank you so much, man. Really appreciate everything you do for me, man, from then until now. Is it?
Yes.
Yeah, man, really appreciate it.
All right.
Just hope your food basket will never empty, is it? From generation to generation, you know?
It smells like I have, so we are going to leave everything.
No.
Yeah, I also want to say this though before we go, since we are, you know, thanking donors. So we have other donors who have donated, who have sent donation for you, Ryan, and we want to say thanks to them as well.
Man.
All right.
I really appreciate, man.
Yeah. So go on and come then. I mean, I go carry that, you know, but since you're supposed to want to take up it, go on.
All right, so yes, man. So thanks to everyone. We really do appreciate it, and we know that especially the stove and so on will be so useful to Ryan, especially at a time like this. So when you come from work, you know,
I stress myself.
Yeah.
That stove, that Android stove, you know, you can just text cook.
Yeah.
Text cook and text turn off.
Can text turn off.
So that you come from work now, we can just text you and
yeah, till you come.
Set up your pot.
Yeah,
Set up your pot and say cook.
Yeah. Can't super for me.
Oh wow.
Can't super.
When man can't sleep, go ahead for carry.
So the challenge, don't forget up the hill.
Yeah. In a heavy.
Well, me and Marcel before Pino.
You want carry it?
So
Big.
yeah, it's a big stove.
Yeah, man.
We don't know if you can fit in the house.
I think I find one corner feet, man.
You want to have it?
Yeah, 4 corners.
Yeah, it's fine.
4 corners.
Yeah, one of them most can hold, you know, too.
Yeah, pick up in one kitchen.
Man. I tell you.
And you can bake to Ryan when you're ready, because you know your oven today. Bake your chicken. Here's Sandrine.
John, man, I don't know.
Sandrine,
there's
you bake
no
some
word
chicken.
can explain, man, for what do for me, man, and I start, man, so till now, man, is it?
Yeah.
It's all by the grace of God, bro.
Yeah, man love you abundantly, man.
We know say you love we.
God, man.
I will love you too. You think if we never love you, we could have come up here? No, come if we don't love you. Well, God love. God love. So even if we don't love you and God send we have to come.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because if I never know, man, people would reach out to me, man, and do all of them things what them do for me. So, Father God bless you, no man, who can. No me alone, holy more people, no bless and thing, man. I tell you, man, sufferation will never there now, no part, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I tell you,
man.
man, everything you put on the hand to, man, I bless you, man.
Yeah.
Real blessing, I tell you.
Come, man, we can't sleep.
Thank you so much, Rayan.
Yeah,
I appreciate that.
Yeah.
The man we can't sleep there, no? The man can't sleep now, man. You say me, yes, man, draw some bungie. A fear bungie me say I draw now, my general. See my all wear put up pants, could they?
Yeah, cut up
How you that one from two bush make your pants stay up, my general? No, sir, no buy nothing look so. You're up too much.
This I have to go up on my stove.
That's not the door.
Oh.
I sweep that.
Oh, so it will turn down, so.
No, we are going to put on the pan when we reach up at top. Show you how it works.
Yeah.
Why you can't carry no my brass?
Can't carry stove.
You want to carry stove for me?
Carry window.
Light load, you love. You can't drop that, you know. You can't drop that, you know.
This area, I turn it up, see.
You never turn it flat easy. If you carry flat cars, it's...
No, you don't feel it. Turn around, so. But you have to put it up on it. Eh?
You want to carry oopsie?
You can manage it like that?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright guys, let's go. You can...
Up the hill we go. The man we can't sleep is saying strong.
One Rayan, you bring this.
Andre, you're not carrying nothing.
Here, see something here. Bring the regulator.
Yes.
Can't carry, man. You don't want to say hello?
Yeah? You want help with the window?
Alright, go through that part. Hold on, oopsie. Light?
Okay, here, man. Right, that's what I'm doing.
See? Me ready, boy? Boy. All the way, I can't go down there. Oopsie. Yeah, no. Yeah, no.
Ooh, careful. Oh no.
So it's no one.
But do you want to carry it to go up, you know? You want to know?
Yeah, for the one, so I can.
Yeah, drag.
Wanna give me time? Give me time to catch up, because me did it so far. Sorry,
Boopsie say no heavy water, no, no. Intal. I see weight. The weight the palm run. Eh?
It's not a line.
Yeah. No, never would into pop on the hillside. Intal, man.
Ready again?
Yeah, they put it back up my head.
Yeah, no, man. Just put it low.
Let's get now.
I don't know.
Sideway, man. Go side.
Careful. Ooh.
Come, Sanju. I turn back. Come. Take your time. Just stand up.
Put the door so open. Alright. Put them down out the door first.
Put it on, just put it on the
Jano.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah. Why? You have to cook whoopsie one nice meal out of this.
Me too.
Why?
You gotta see if we can get on chicken and bake again.
No man. Yeah man.
Hey.
Yeah.
Space, make space heat.
Hey, Boopsie, I say you want to see.
Oopsie.
The lights. Oh.
Yeah, one that one, I hit for heavy. Maybe one part of
Janjin.
Wrong way to put my butter on it.
No, but
Janjin.
you're gonna put your, oh, I get what you mean.
Pick up his name there.
That teacher how to take store water back.
Safe.
That's it now.
Come Ryan.
I'm gonna clear this
Come up
space.
and unveil the cake.
I want space, me did that move. Jeez.
Come up and unveil the cake.
Yeah.
All right.
Ready? Ready?
Yay.
We unveil the cake for Ryan. Alright, we now have to pull up everything.
Yeah.
Oh, we can't pull it. Come Ryan.
Yeah, no.
When I get your new car wrapped in a plastic.
Yeah.
Yep.
Buy it. Me tell you say, I already have to buy this. If me go to buy it.
You not buy this one? Oh, that's
See them will make you go buy. So only because flimsy one, you know, but you got 3 months it done.
Yes, yes.
Well, son,
Yeah.
they put on the pattern, let you go and down there, some of the stove not burn up.
John, what's Sanjay? See?
Yep.
See it, Sanjay? Can manage this?
Give Rayan. Rayan, Andre, take one of these.
Yeah.
Heavy, you know. Here, next one. Sandra, you take this.
Right there. John,
No, cooking I go on.
Yeah, man.
Give me what something put on it from here, sir. So we just
And Andre, where's the regulator?
yeah, what's it?
Bring it,
Yeah,
please.
come.
John,
Give Marcel.
Come on, I can't find the hose that I have in the house. Different on me.
So Melissa gone with the hose.
I can't go with the hose, man. Tell me. Come in the house, I'm coming
It's a
at me.
self-light, you know, Ryan.
Huh?
A self-light, but if you don't have no electricity, you can light it still.
Or like
Use
plug in
matches.
from current.
Yeah, current.
Eh?
You can use matches like for a lighter.
And if you check on me, Boopsy. Good officer book. And if you check out.
No, it was a look shot.
Look shot. Not it.
You say I sleep now. You sleep now.
How are you drinking water this man?
Last night? Man. That's only good salvation lasts forever, you know.
So you finish the bottle of the vitamin? Oh, yeah, that takes some pill. Okay.
You want more vitamin?
So, but you don't have to take the expired pills. You don't have to take the ones that will expire. You not take? Oh, okay.
Right then I've done.
Who this now? Now have company. Anis. Oh.
That was coming.
Hi dear. Good afternoon. You alright? Okay. You can't look what going up here? Everybody gonna leave you, not true?
Jeez.
What's that? 100%.
It's heavy. What's that? Take off.
What is supposed to be?
Yeah, so it look yes. Oopsie. So it can stop right here, so. Oh. In the oven.
And I really do not mess up. Can I use that thing? I would say. Start pan, flat pan screwdriver.
Like this? Oh, this is a flat point. Oh, you switch it around. Oh, push it back up there. If you tighten off, it's locked. Push it right up, Brian. Good boy. Thank you. Here. Oh, flat point.
You have the gas. Ryan. So we're gonna light this stove.
Nah, for gas.
So I have to go get the gas, man.
Remember, instead of change the pan for the to round here, that's all?
And when me look on the around it, you know.
Around head? Oh, well, that's okay. Because around head regulator this.
When me look on it.
So I just fill it up.
I'm at it's a brand new cylinder, you know, but when it
Come in a cool shade, Marcel.
I have to put the stove in there.
No,
Because I stove, me I work on and in my son. Sure.
you don't see cool shade, a cool shade part there.
Ryan, that's over there. What's Ryan?
Hey, we are doing so old.
Where you do this?
There is something in there, so.
Look at it. Yeah, Lord, I tell you. Hey. Time I can be a kind of come to cake, you know?
Almost. Sounds good.
You know, I tell you, I'm happy, you know, I feel happy.
Yeah, God, no.
I'm glad for you, man.
Oh, God, man, I tell you, man.
I feel like I feel like I'm going to eat it first. He said I'm going to eat it first. He laughed at stove.
Yeah.
Give me something more, Papa.
Get something now, okay?
Can't carry the new stove with one old.
No joke.
To clean up here.
I put one old rag in a bag, Likkle.
Find one new rag.
Eh?
I wonder if I'm going to need something for put under the stove bottom. So.
Don't make one something.
Alright, I have to go.
No, foam thing not come in there. Not the box.
Wash,
You know the four corner something where always come in.
Button press.
Yeah, self light.
Oh.
When you plug in it.
Oh.
But you can use your matches.
Yeah.
Turn on here and light it. The matches. I think they have the oven.
Yeah, oven and a timer. One is a timer.
Oh, so
One for the oven and then these over here. So wait there.
No.
5 burners.
Hey, one. This is for one of the burners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is for the oven, amigo.
Yeah, see there, oven control.
Oh, yes,
Two.
true.
This is for the middle one. So this I don't know if I back or front.
I'm supposed to fit them two sides.
Yeah, this is for them two sides there. Them two over here are for them there. This is one of oven, this is the middle one. Oh, and the grill feet.
Oh, yeah, then.
Looking at oven and take time.
Oh, yeah, something in the oven, you know?
Don't make it back on the
The
thing.
jerk pan.
Oh,
You see this one, Ryan?
yeah,
This is
that.
where you put the chicken in there, isn't it? Or your fish.
Yes.
Oh.
Wait, push it up first before you.
Oh, why, Papa, who is that for me? Sandra, please. Come on here, Sandra. Just hold it on there and dry it. Then, Ryan. Hold on, man.
Hey,
Hold on, the stove can't move in my yard.
Wait,
The man
wait.
move the load that block. Put it.
Sorry, come up a little bit more.
You see that?
Baking oven this.
When you go bake, man, we just.
Oh.
That tray, we're going at that.
Yo.
Hold. It looks like I did that so quick, so you wipe off the so quick.
No.
You do have to wipe off it quick.
Yeah, see if you keep him clean, you know?
Yeah. Alright, put my kitchen on. Hold it. Turn off the gas, you know. Turn off the gas.
You test it, no, Joe?
Light it up.
That test all
You
it.
can just light it up right there, son. Turn on the gas and screw the lighter. The grill is so close.
Them have to open out for, I guess it depends on what you're doing to make the adjustment.
But you
Because
can't come no further up here, son.
no, but see that one down here.
No, this is a tray if you go down there.
No, but what if you're doing something and you don't need the tray? You adjust it and use it, and then you can, you know?
Oh, you know? Alright, put in back the tray now, boss.
Yeah.
Fix the tray.
Should be in the chicken sandwich.
Fix the tray how if you fix.
You fix, man.
Fix the tray how if you fix.
It in the right slot?
Fix, Ryan. Make yourself push in it. Are you going up here with you, know? So they tell you to push in it. Oh, lucky door now.
All right.
Okay.
Yes.
You got that?
Yeah, no.
Yep, when ready for bring it in now?
Yeah.
How we boop today?
Hey.
Oh,
Plastic there on the side, you know.
Oh,
Can't just put it down there.
no, if you take it off right now.
Sometimes when you left it on it, something
Yeah, spoil up.
built up on the head.
When you go in, you take easy if you pull out. Alright. Can't tear off.
Boy, them tear off it when they reach inside.
I feel them.
But maybe take it off now when you're in the corner.
Here.
Oh, yeah.
If the food now cook, you just check the manual. Gas done. Yeah.
Oh yeah, take off it. Go and take off it.
Yeah, no.
I see your plug around there, son. You're plugging on your outlet.
Oh,
So this I guess, yeah? This I give you light in the overflow.
yeah.
Supposed to. Self-light.
That's you, Rayan.
Yeah,
And
no.
Sandrina, Rayan, and Andre.
Put it on the top. Yeah, no, let's
Come Andre, come take off some.
Okay,
There. Up here cool though.
You want to see a night time?
Cool. Okay, you're up on the hill.
A breezy hill and call up here.
Hey, tell her no, not yet. The lady who asked us for the solar light.
go. Sorry, to walk in front of the video.
Is she done? Okay.
You don't need no light now, a moonshine.
Yes.
A moonshine, you don't need no light.
She said no, she, the lady who did ask us.
Last time I said that.
Love it.
Yes, man.
God, no.
Going. Space ready?
Hold up. Put,
Hey, Miss start out on space. I wonder if he too broad.
Come and chat.
Come and say he's too broad. Space,
Take time. Roy. Up.
Oops, you look like you're weak, sir.
Boy, careful at this stone.
Can I drink no sugar and water for my name? Lift up it.
But stone them loose, so no be careful.
can't hold this on the top.
Let's steal it after them now.
Oh, you find the space.
I'm come with the cylinder now. Yeah, no. Yeah.
Oh, that way if you put the cylinder.
Everything upon the heavy. Eh?
You can't move, man.
Oh, yeah. Get too far up.
There's the razor.
We'll have to get on.
Let me see.
I'll put a wallet.
You hold on strong, man.
So if you come off and just take a blow me down for you,
Just stay.
Make it stay fit.
Yeah, because it well holds, so that makes sense. Alright, guys, so Ryan having stove.
yeah, no.
Thank you so much once again to Marie from the UK.
Yeah, man, Marie, as me I tell her, man. Yeah, no. There's no word can explain Marie, but is it? To me feel, is it?
Words can explain, man. Thanks.
Yeah, man, alright.
Explain everything.
Alright, thank you so much. Yeah, yeah, man.
Yes, want to remember them here.
Yeah, no.
No, they're not going to cook. They never need that.
Take off the manual.
I'll roast them, I'll roast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Where's the other one? Pass that to me, baby.
You can't manage.
Sit here, right here. Oh. You can't take up your money now. That's it. All right.
See that?
Yeah. That was place look bossy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
That place look bossy, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, no. Never dream to see this still, but
You know, say I go shift it still, you know.
yeah, for me better if you come over here so the wind are going.
Yeah.
Yeah, better if you come right there. The stove if you go up right can.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
thing. So this I told me liquor table now, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man.
You see when you put in the window, put the stove, take the back of the stove to the window.
No, me just say bed me want to put us.
Oh, because I want to come breeze.
Yeah.
But when you cook, you might want to get the fumes and so outside that in your tea
Oh,
window.
yes, that's true.
I reckon the window around where you put it.
For me there. For this one me
Right
there.
this one. Right this one.
And put this one at it. Cause sun is straight now. This one I know, but it no glass in it.
Yeah.
Could I get this a glass?
Yeah, and just put the mesh in there. So I remember put this here so now for when the brain fall now it breeze.
Come in and so.
So I say I take off and put it over this. And nail one ply side of it so till you know. Time come.
Yeah. Just something temporary.
Family
Until
ask
such
them if
time.
me could build one glass you put back in it.
Yeah.
You can cut glass sheet, huh?
So them did that tell me say no make no, but me I say me love you in the same way, man.
And the truth said some of the glass because that one glass coming out that thing and thick.
Oh, in this one,
Yeah.
or the other one out of do.
That one there.
Oh, so this one out of do thicker.
Thicker man.
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, guys. So this is it.
See Sandrine there? Sandrine happy. And now Sandrine go cook.
Eh?
Yeah, cook now, not sure.
She always cook,
Why you
right?
cook? Right. So you don't cook dinner, you cook food.
All right, that's
Yeah,
Sandrine.
Sandrine. I fool around you. She don't hardly talk. They dry out. I see man we can't sleep there.
Yeah.
Everything good man we can't sleep.
Everybody there.
Put it in the door. Put the door in now, sopa.
Oh,
The door in
We're
the
on ourselves so far. On the street, people are not back home.
I wait a while.
So many inches them there.
And the pan this.
plus you have to take them off of that and take off the lock.
You have a key?
Key to na yard.
You do like Mass Navy. Mass Navy house blow and you keep your key for your door.
That one thing he don't like it.
No, you don't like a key.
He don't like a key, but he say he said we have the key, you know, man.
Just put it right there, so.
Put the door first and then you put it.
Right, let's see there's something there. If you strip off them thing and label off of the frame, yeah?
This.
Oh,
After
I
the,
do
you
it.
take off it off that too.
Then this, Ryan, they take out the plastic.
Oh.
I window do this, you know, when I come up.
Come here, say you can lean up what I do.
No, I window man, they can rub up and it look like.
Yes. That is good still.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I tell you, man.
And them, I tell us if you take off them thing, yeah?
No, you're not going to open up this year, the tape.
Oh,
but when Ryan ready, you can take off
Take off them
these.
something else. This when this crystallized money, ugly and it can't come off right there.
Oh.
And take off the plastic off my door too. See, take off this.
Oh.
Take off all of them.
Oh.
Yeah.
I want plastic this.
Yeah.
These are the tape.
You can pull it, you know. You can't, that is just to hold the window, that's you know, drop out or anything when I transport it. If you notice, if you go hardware, go buy it and sell it plastic up.
Yeah.
So remember if you take off them.
Yeah, man, I'll take them.
And take it off of the door to here.
The plastic now, this have to come off of the door.
Yes.
Everything.
I don't look like they come off of this one. Yeah.
It come off, we don't see it on it.
None of them on that.
I'm telling them,
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright everyone, so this is it. We are happy that we were able to make this delivery today. Had a very tough time yesterday in sourcing the items. Can't even begin to explain, but thanks be to God, they're here today. And once again, we want to say big up to all our donors. Marie from the UK, thank you so much for these items. Thanks to all the other donors who have donated. May God continue to bless you richly. Alright, so until next time, this is your end of video for today. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.